Hello guys, welcome to Mercedes-Benz King. It's a beautiful day here at the Zee, close to München, about 100 kilometers south. We have the all-new generation Mercedes CLA in a gorgeous designer white color with AMG line. So it is a new generation with the newest technology and a gorgeous exterior and interior. In this video I will also take it for a drive in the city and show you the new characteristics. It has a gorgeous design and the length has increased with 8 centimeters and the wheelbase with 5 centimeters. You can see from the AMG package here the side skirts and the AMG rims, multi-spoke. I really love the coupe line with a thicker part here at the side, and that goes beautiful into the rear of the car with the 4MATIC emblem and the CLA220 emblem on the other side with beautiful lines, and the Mercedes star is also a little bit curved. And as you can notice, there are not a lot of lines on the side, and that is to make the front and rear more appealing. So the CLA is one of the most emotionally appealing car of Mercedes-Benz. It really did a great job with the aerodynamics, as you can see from the shark design, the very edgy headlamps, which is also new, the multi-beam LED, and the line goes from up, it gets cut at the bottom, and here it continues. So it has the AMG package, as you can see from the front bumpers, and the diamond grille with chrome tips. And don't forget to compare this with my two other videos, one with the edition black on black and one with the Jupiter red progressive design. So this is the AMG line. I really love the rear design with its large horizontal taillights with a little stardust effect and also fine detailing. This is the CLA220 and it has the 4MATIC emblem on the right side. Nice exhaust tips and chrome elements. This rear actually looks like the CLS with a very rounding curve at the rear, and I really like the coupe line with its blacked out windows. You can see that the ceiling of the trunk is a little bit lower due to the coupe window. It has a total of 470 liters of trunk capacity. So before we take it for a drive, let's have a look at what's under the bonnet of this fine looking coupe. This is the CLA220, so it produces 185 horsepower, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 7 seconds. So let's close the hood again and we will take it for a drive. So guys, let's take the CLA for a drive. I've got the key right here. I will store it at the cup holders. And let's press the button for the electronics to work. The seat adjusts. So let's proceed. I will just press the button to start. And let's put it in drive with this stick. It also has a wireless phone charger here at the center console, so you can just leave your phone on it and it will charge. A lovely city at the Zee, and the city is called Rotterdam. Beautiful place with a lake. So as you know, Mercedes-Benz implemented the newest technology with its MBUX system, the Mercedes-Benz User Experience. So it actually works with a voice command. Hey Mercedes.
How can I help you?
Take me to Süden, München.
Select a destination, please.
1.
Route guidance is starting.
So
Please
that's how
follow
easy it is.
for 7 kilometers. Caution, restricted
That's the
access.
final destination, Süden in München, in Munich. And we are now close to the border with Austria, at the Tegernsee. And it's just gorgeous here. So as I'm driving the new generation CLA, I can tell you it really improved compared to the predecessor. It's way more comfortable, and it also steers great, and that's because they increased the width of the car in the front and the rear, so it's more agile and it can take the corners more directly. This model has the 4MATIC, so Mercedes-Benz all-wheel drive. No, not you, Mercedes. And this is the CLA220. So it has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, which produces 184 horsepower. And it takes it from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 7 seconds. So let's listen to the sound in the comfort mode. Sounds pretty good. Let's put it in the sport mode with this dynamic select button at the center console. Yes. So the exhaust valves, they open and it sounds different, deeper. Pedal shifters. And guys, also have a look at the other two CLA models. The Edition, black on black, it's on Mercedes-Benz King, and the Jupiter Red Progressive, so without the AMG package. This CLA220 4MATIC has the AMG exterior package as well as the interior. You can see that from the AMG steering wheel with a flat bottom and a round shaped center. It's really a great design, as well as in the interior, wood trim with leather stitching around the dash, and also the turbine style air vents, which is quite known to be used in the coupe models such as the CLS and the E-Class coupe. I also expect it to be in the new GLE coupe later this year. The new generation CLA also has better technology. The MBUX system has improved. It now recognizes more voices, different accents. And there's also a hand gesture possibility. So you can just, with for example 2 fingers, you can navigate to home. Like this, gesture detected, do you want to assign a favorite? I press yes. So you can set it up the way you like. So it has the hand gestures, including the touchscreen. So you can go to the home page. It really is very intuitive, the navigation screen. And you can also change the themes. So it's currently in the Sport Experience. So let's press it. Here you can see it changed into an orange, greenish design. which shows you the Newton meters of torque, the battery voltage, and the kilowatts converted to horsepower. I have to say, with the AMG package, the suspension is a little bit stiffer, so that's the only downside. The looks are great. So guys, thanks for watching Mercedes-Benz King. I hope you like this video with the newest generation CLA and this episode in München. Make sure you also watch the other two, the Jupiter Red non-AMG package and the AMG package with addition, black on black, and tell me which one you like better.